Good morning and welcome to Fat Cow Farm. Now today we're in the Big Smoke. So we've come down out of the country into town, and today we're at Ben's Bees picking up our nucleus for our beehive. So what we'll do, we'll go find Ben and we'll see you soon. All right, here we go. So I found Ben. Check this out. I'm going to pass it over to Ben. So Ben's going to give us a few instructions about our nucleus. So we'll go from there. Ben, how are you, man?
Nice to meet you. Fantastic.
Likewise, mate.
Awesome. I'm super excited to give you guys your new pets. So I've counted them. There's 5,672. You've got to name them all. So there's lots of bees in here. So super exciting. So you're going to travel with these bees and get them into position. And what an exciting start of a journey, because bees are so important. Obviously, 1 in every 3 mouthfuls of food that we eat has been pollinated by a bee. And also too, they make that wonderful sweet nectar, obviously honey. So how cool is that? So super excited, guys.
Fantastic. Check this out. All right, so now we're back at Fat Cow Farm. We've come all the way back from Ben's Bees, and here we are. So today's the day that we're going to put our new nucleus right here. So following Ben's instructions, we need to remove our hive here, put the nucleus there, we let them settle for 2 weeks, and it's on. We can then transfer them into the flow hive. So let me go get the nucleus and I'll see you soon. Okay, so check this out. The nucleus is here. Now the way that Ben set this up is that we've got 5 frames sitting inside this nucleus. And as we said before, we're gonna let the girls settle in for around about 2 weeks before we transfer it into the flow hive. And when we transfer it across, we'll have to add in an extra couple of frames because this one's a little bit bigger. Now, what's gonna happen is this. You can see that we've got a disc in front of us. We're gonna rotate this disc around so that the hole itself is sitting here, so the bees can come backwards and forwards. So what I'm gonna do, because I am expecting the worst, is that I'm gonna go put my bee seed on, I'll remove the flow hive, and the girls are home. So let me get the suit and I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm all kitted up, ready to rock and roll. So what I'm gonna do is I start opening this, and I'm sort of thinking to myself, it's gonna have to be one fluid motion so we don't get any bees caught. So I think I'm a little bit nervous, not sure what to expect, but we'll go from there. All right, so I'm gonna sort this out and I'll see you soon. All right, so here we go. One fluid movement, we'll open it all up. Looks like we've got some of the local bees here as well. So let's give it a crack. Look at that. I don't know what to expect, but that seemed to work really, really well. So I suppose as a little bit of a recap, we've got our nucleus in from Ben. We've set it up here. We've removed our flow hive. So the girls will now sit here for a couple of weeks, let them get adjusted to their new environment, and then we'll start transferring the frames. So like and subscribe. All about your new nucleus arriving at your new plot. Brand new beekeepers. We're on our way, mate. I'll see you soon.